So the project starts by going back here to my super secret stash of unfinished and abandoned projects to retrieve this old air compressor tank. And then just laying out some cut marks so we can get all our pieces apart. I'm bound to get some comments about the angle grinder here not having a guard on it. And I know. I took the guard off to do something, and it's been lost ever since. So I make do with what I got and just try to be very, very careful. I wanted to drill some holes for some air to get in, and the little cordless just wasn't cutting it. So I had to break this thing out. Paid $5 for this, and wasn't sure if it worked or not, but it did, and I'm glad I got it, because it really will drill through anything. First time I used it though, it almost broke my arm. Probably should have measured that bottom hole there. You can see just how far off center it was. Fortunately, I didn't have the size tube I wanted for a chimney, so I had to take some sheet I had laying around and make a tube. Turned out okay, but it was more work than it was worth. And here it is. I put some high temperature black paint on it just to make it look halfway decent. And we couldn't resist. The kids were anxious to try it out, so we grabbed some wood we had laying around. The wood was kind of wet, so I think that's probably why it was so smoky. But the kids loved it, and they can't wait to roast the marshmallows, as they remind me almost every day. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.